Guardians, बढ़ चलो. Saif sir, couldn't have thanked you more for being a part of this series and had a great experience. Already हमारी इसकी recording हो चुकी है और बड़ा we've enjoyed our bit, but what do you think about this world?
Oh, it's amazing. It was such a lovely experience. It's the first experience really I've had of doing something that's only audio, and it was absolutely phenomenal.
That's true. ब्रजेश आपको ऑडियो के बारे में बताने का, लेकिन ये रॉकेट रकून जो आप कर रहे हैं, रकून क्या, रकून को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब क्या है?
रकून हिंदी में एक प्रकार का जानवर.
मैं गूगल करने नहीं बोला था.
That's the dictionary definition. But since you've asked me a question, let me ask you one. What do you call a raccoon's elbow in Hindi?
Rakoni.
There you go.
You clearly know we practiced this. I'm sorry about that. Anangsha, the collector is here. What do you think? How's your experience? क्या करने वाली हैं?
Hello, hello. So I am going to send Star-Lord and Rocket Raccoon to a beautiful journey that you guys have to hear.
All right. We have to hear. That's why India में एक term बहुत popular हो चुका है, in fact all over the world. Am I audible? That's about it. Thank you so much. Saif sir, please have a seat. Anangsha, Brijesh bhai, please have a seat. We'll quickly move on towards our next series. Ladies and gentlemen, from the adventures of Star-Lord and Rocket, we now move on to the next epic ride. तीरंदाजी में कौन शौक रखता है? एक ऐसा शख्स जिसके तीर जब उसकी कमान से छूटते हैं तो हमेशा निशाने पर लगते हैं. The sole survivor of the Avengers, Hawkeye, is now a circus performer reliving the worst day of his life for paying audience. Hawkeye gets an unexpected visitor, his estranged 17-year-old daughter Ash. ये Ash को कम मत समझिएगा. ये जहां पर होती है वहां बवाल करती है. On her mission for vengeance after losing her best friend, Ash insists on following Hawkeye in his secret mission. In a world without heroes, Ash learns what a true hero can really be. So everybody please put your hands together for the gritty and versatile Jaideep Ahlawat as the Hawkeye and the Queen of series के अंदर ये दोनों जो गुल खिलाने वाले हैं, जो बवाल करने वाले, आप दोनों तो सही में बाप बेटी की तरह वैसे ही आए हैं. You actually are absolutely matching on this thing. Jaideep bhai, मार्वल की दुनिया, वेस्टलैंडर्स की दुनिया, हॉकाई की दुनिया, आप जल्द हमें मिलने वाले हैं स्टूडियोज के अंदर. थोड़ा बहुत जो वक्त बिताया है, जो हमारी बातें हुई हैं, ये जो दुनिया है, व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट दैट?
नहीं, बहुत ही फैसिनेटिंग वर्ल्ड है. और जो हम होता ना कि आप सिर्फ सुनते हो और जो बचपन से आप कहानियाँ सुनते आ रहे हो, वैसा ही कुछ फील है. तो मेरे लिए बहुत फैसिनेटिंग है, बिकॉज मैं थोड़ा कम जानता हूँ. सीरियस सिनेमा ज़्यादा करने को मिलता है, लोग शक्ल पे चले जाते हैं मेरी. बट आई एम गोना बी लाइक हैविंग फन विद दिस.
आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट प्रोजेक्ट. Audio is not new for you. Nothing is new for you. What has it? क्या नहीं किया तूने लड़की इतनी कम उम्र के
I've never been a superhero, so that's new.
There you go. There you go. You've had a good experience. You've been in the studios. कैसा फील करी?
बहुत बढ़िया. मैंने एक्चुअली कल 9 एपिसोड्स खत्म करे हमने, और इसीलिए मैं सबसे ज़्यादा, मतलब मैं बहुत कंफर्टेबल थी आज यहाँ आने के लिए, बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी नर्वस. सो पहले मेरी नर्वसनेस थी कि मैं क्या बोलूँगी, मुझे उतना पता नहीं होगा. तो अब मेरी नर्वसनेस है कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पता है, तो आई डोंट वांट टू गिव स्पॉयलर्स, बट बड़े मज़े आए.
Please, nobody give spoilers, please. Thank you very much. Jaideep bhai, thank you very much. Prajakta, please
Thank
have a
you.
seat. Let's move on towards our next series. All right, let me set the stage for one of the most powerful female superheroes in the Marvel Universe. On the same day that Helen Black moves into her apartment, Lisa Cartwright reports for her first day as a junior residential security analyst for a private security company hired by SHIELD to surveil Helen's corner of the complex. ये समझिए कि एक बंद दुनिया है, एक इमारत है 150 मंजिला की, और उस पे सब पे नजर रखी जा रही है. वो तो हमें मालूम ही है कि हमारी हर बात सुनी जा रही है. But what's going to happen in this series, we'll let you know when this series comes out. But for the time being, please give a thunderous applause to the dynamic and iconic Kareena Kapoor Khan as Black Widow and Masaba Gupta. This is as superhero as it can get. You girls can right now just go whoop like kick and everybody's out. Ma'am, first of all, thank you so much for being here. Black Widow, an iconic character in the Marvel Universe. An iconic actor standing in front of me on this stage. Tell me something about how the marriage happened. How does this feel being Black Widow?
Well, it's an amazing character. I'm firstly very honored to be part of this huge series, the first audible Hindi series of Marvel. I'm absolutely delighted to be a part of it. I think this character actually, the more when I read it, when you guys sent me the script, when I read it, I was like, okay, now I know why they want me to play it because I resonated with it completely. I think Black Widow has always been fierce, powerful, intelligent. I wouldn't say manipulative, but I would say that she kind of knows when she has to make her moves. So somehow, I think it's just something that I just, it was so fierce. So it was like an instant connect. And I hope through my voice and, I can add my own touch to this, wonderful character and truly iconic. Of course, being a part of it with such, amazing actors and voices also is going to be absolutely amazing. So we've just started this journey. And let's see. And of course, having my dear friend and gorgeous Masaba part of it is also, I think, a win-win situation for us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Masaba, here's some action. Let's do some action in audio.
Yeah, that's a challenge, but one that we're willing to take, all of us.
What do you think about it? We discussed about the stories. You're looking forward to playing Lisa Cartwright?
Oh, I'm looking forward, and I think her character is just amazing because there's this quiet intelligence to her. There's this, she's also someone who doesn't take herself so seriously, but she's also extremely intuitive and extremely intelligent and smart. So, and I think everything that happens with her and Helen Black, that relationship, is something that's very exciting for me. But I won't spill the beans on what I'm doing.
Yeah, no spoilers.
I won't spoil it, but I'm very excited because I think to create a world just from your voice is special and a challenge, but like I said, we're on. We're all on. And of course, listen, I mean, I'm a Kareena Kapoor Khan fan. I was going to say Khan fan.
Join the club.
Yeah, so is this my debut in like Audible? Huh. Yeah, so I'm very happy that it's with her because I wouldn't have asked for anyone better.
Promise you it's going to be a cracker. Thank you so much. Kareena Kapoor Khan and Masaba. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Please have a seat. Right away, ma'am. All right, and next up, let's quickly move on. We've got a lot of series coming up. Kabhi aapko aisa nahi lagta when you travel through Mumbai traffic that you were Wolverine? Like just ching, out there or something like that. But yeah, whenever this character comes in, people are gonna figure out, no problems, Masaba, that Wolverine is in the house. Wolverine, ladies and gentlemen, one of the most popular heroes around. What's happening in this series? He encounters a young mutant in hiding, Sophia, and vows to transport her into the safe hands of former X-Men. Ye X-Men ki duniya hai. Wolverine is framed and it escalates anti-mutant sentiments. Ye mutants, ye X-Men, wo school jahan par अतरंगी अलग अलग किस्म के पावर्स वाले आपको म्यूटेंट्स दिखते हैं उसकी कहानी आपके सामने पेश करने वाले हैं So are we ready? Joining us right now, please put your hands together for Wolverine and Sophia, played by Sharat Kelkar and the ever charming. क्या बोलूं भाई अब मैं आपको बस एक बार माइक पे आप हेलो बस
Hello.
Hi. A man who's given the voice industry such amazing characters is playing Wolverine. You as an actor, par. As a voice artist, you've done so much. Wolverine, right up there. Aapko us character ke play karne ke liye, I'm sure we've spoken about this thing. We're all very excited. But Wolverine, Sharat.
You know, I'm a huge fan of Marvel family, and you can see the jacket which I bought 10 years back because of Wolverine. And now it's time to play Wolverine. As an actor, एक बहुत अच्छी opportunity है because अपने तरीके से Wolverine play कर पाऊंगा. So really excited for this. And it's a different world, different time, and a different emotion to Wolverine. So gonna be fun.
That's absolutely right. Different world, a different time. You'll be surprised and you'll be happily surprised when you listen to the Wastelander series. Mithila, यार mutant होती तो कौन सी power? मतलब just imagine you're playing a mutant who has powers. इस दुनिया में बहुत ज़रूरत है. Are you excited about playing one?
I am very excited about playing one, and I mean to be part of Marvel, the Marvel universe in any form. So I'm actually glad that Audible got the audioverse of Marvel. They're getting it to life with all of these amazing people, and I get to be part of it, and I get to aid the uber cool Wolverine.
Absolutely.
So it's very exciting.
Super awesome. Thank you so much. Mithila, Sharat, thank you very much. Kindly have a seat. Wolverine and Sophia, ladies and gentlemen. इतने हीरोज आ गए, विलन कहाँ है? विलन्स के बिना दुनिया कंप्लीट नहीं होती, स्पेशली जब हम सुपर हीरोज की बात करते हैं. एंड हु bigger than Doctor Doom to be the villain? Doom की कहानी इस सीरीज के अंदर बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. He was imprisoned by his assistant without his mask in a dungeon lined with mirrors. और 30 साल की imprisonment के बाद में Doctor Doom has freed himself and seeks revenge on the former allies. And to achieve this, इस सीरीज में उनका साथ देती हैं Valeria Richards, the daughter of his most hated enemy, Reed Richards of the Fantastic Four. But whose side is she really on? इस thriller में क्या जवाब है? ये आपको सुनने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. For the 5th series, Doom, played by the incredible Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi, who has been missing for 30 years. And you will have to stay tuned to find out what his real motives are. But हमारे पास उनकी goddaughter है, Valeria Richards. Valeria, can you please join us on stage? And Valeria is played by my dear friend, Yasha Sweeney. Wow. Valeria, hi. मैं कुछ बताने नहीं वाला हूँ, कुछ बता सकते भी नहीं हैं हम कि क्या होने वाला है. But to be a part of the Marvel Universe, to be able to play Valeria from the Fantastic Four, so much more, Yashaswini. Go ahead.
This is like a huge milestone moment in life because like I grew up watching all the Marvel cartoons, the movies, and it's been so ingrained into my personality. And now to get the opportunity to be a part of the Marvel Universe, and it's a fresh franchise, it's a fresh universe, and I'm really excited. And I get to play a mysterious character, which is 100% opposite of who I really am. So that's great.
Super. And we know you're absolutely great and you're going to be absolutely cool. Thank you very much for being this girl. Thank you so much. Please have a seat. Yep. Yeah. But a photo up? Yeah, do we go ahead and do that? All right, super. This is great. You guys have been waiting with your camera for a very long time. I won't let you hold on for too long. This is a photo up moment. This is where we go for it. Yeah. My dear friends, the dear cast of Marvel Wastelanders, can we have you right over here so that these wonderful folks can capture you and tell the world that Marvel Inaudible has come out with this amazing series. Go for it. That's Marvel and Audible presents Marvel Wastelanders, a Hindi Audible original series. Star-Lord, Wolverine, Hawkeye, Black Widow, Doctor Doom. Can I please request Shailesh and Karen if you could join us on stage, please? Shailesh and Karen. There you go, Karen. Right over here. Right away. Absolutely. Yes, it's of course. Right, come right over here. You've got this to us. Thank you very much for doing that. Please, have a seat. Shailesh, thank you very much. Thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you very much, my dear friends. Thank you everyone for being such great sport and being here with us all in person. Can we have a huge round of applause for the entire cast of Marvel's Wastelanders, please? And sir, now, please. Thank you, Anangsha. Thank you, Brajesh Bhai. Thank you very much. Yes, absolutely. Oh yeah, please, sir. Right over here. Super. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Please have a seat. Yeah, can we have the scripts on stage, please?